What's going on, family? So as I was looking on the internet, trying to come through with a particular topic that we can talk about, here it is right here. That's what I came up with. Whales accumulating hot real world asset focused altcoin from crypto exchanges. What cryptocurrency are they talking about now? In order for these companies to remain relevant, they got to drop the next hottest crypto. That's it. But is it really unique? Is it really adding some type of value that the thousand of other cryptocurrencies before it is not? Let's break this down. This was from the Daily Huddle. Okay, so we got people. Whales are gobbling up a red hot crypto projects that's focused on tokenizing real world assets, RWAs. So that's the newest buzzword for us in the community of cryptocurrency is RWAs. It was NFTs. Now it looks like it's going to be RWAs, real world assets. The crypto tracker on Lookonchain notes that one whale withdrew 6.53 million Ondo, the native token of Ondo Finance, from the crypto exchange Bybit over the past month. So we got a big boy out here withdrawing 6.53 million Ondo tokens. What do they know? That trove is worth more than $6 million. Ondo Finance aims to provide institutional grade financial products and services via a public blockchain by tokenizing RWAs and developing financial protocols that integrate those tokens. Again, BlackRock is trying to be the forerunner in this tokenization. That's the newest buzzword. You can kind of see where the market is trying to go in crypto. Tokenization, real world assets. They're trying to break these real world assets into smaller chunks, into smaller pieces, so that everyone can now get a piece of what was once far away that they could invest in, because it was only allocated to a certain group of people who had the bag. Lookonchain also notes that a different whale withdrew 1.98 million Ondo, worth nearly 1.83 million, from the crypto exchange Gate.io over a 1 hour period on Sunday. They're grabbing these coins off of the exchange. Where are they taking it? Maybe to a hot wallet or hardware wallet. A third whale. So we got two whales. One took millions of this cryptocurrency off of Bybit. The second person took 1.98 million off of Gate.io. And here it is, a third person, entity, individual, who knows, withdrew 937,000 Ondo from Gate.io as well. What are they doing? Why are they trying to take this cryptocurrency off the exchanges for? Are they about to be investigated? Gate.io or Bybit? Ondo, when this article was written about 3 days ago, is traded around 92 cents. Right now, it is at 88. Oh. So the Daily Huddle came out with this article 3 days ago, trying to create buzz, trying to create hype, trying to create FUD. And now the token, the price of Ondo is at 88 cents. Is the move over? Is it over? That's it. The Daily Huddle gave us a couple of sentences talking about Ondo, talking about how 3 people came to a couple of cryptocurrency exchanges and offloaded their Ondo from the exchange. That was it. But they titled the article "Whales Accumulating." It looked to me like the whales were withdrawing. That's what the article should have read. But you know, we get it. We understand that these companies, these businesses are all about hype. That is how advertising works. I wonder if Ondo Finance paid the Daily Huddle to write this article, because it really didn't give us any substance. It was empty. It just told us about 3 transactions of people taking their cryptocurrency off a cryptocurrency exchange. Why does that warrant the ability for you to come in and read this article. Like, it doesn't make any sense. So let me come through and at least try to add a little bit of value to the situation. Let's do a price prediction for Ondo then. You guys can see it. What do you think? Are we bullish? That's the first thing we always answer. Or, I mean, that's the first thing that we always ask is the market bullish? And to me, for the most part, it is. Ondo is bullish. Now, would you rather buy this cryptocurrency at 88 cents? Or would you rather buy it all the way down here around 70 or lower? I'm just asking you. There's no right or wrong answer. Because you're the one that has to take the effects of what happens. Now, given the last 4 days of trading, so let me put this arrow here on the chart. Something is going on in the market. Why is Ondo being restricted from breaking above $1? Why? There's only two dynamic forces at any given time in the markets. One is buying pressure. Two is selling pressure. And these two pressures are always offset. They're never balanced. If they're balanced, even within their balance, meaning that they're consolidating, there's still one side trying to overdo the next side. So we need to create this area right here and say, okay, this area apparently is a bigger weight of selling pressure. That's what it means. Because the days following the 26th of March, 27th, 28th, and now, you can see how Ondo is finding it hard to break through that sell zone. That's a massive clue for you. The longer that it takes for Ondo to break through that sell zone, the more likely price is going to fall, because those buyers are going to get tired. They don't have an infinite amount of money to just continue to bank and try to break through that sell zone. They don't. So be ready for that. Here is Ondo on the 2. You bullish or bearish? Here it is on the 3. Bullish or bearish? Here's Ondo on the 5. You bullish or bearish? Put it on the table. How you feel? Here it is on the 330-minute chart. This is where the buyers are buying this crypto. So we have delineated the teams. We know where the teams are. We know that the sellers are up there. The buyers are down here. Which one is going to win? We have a very tight area that's being created. Which one is going to win? Here it is on the 1 hour. Ondo on the 3. What about on the 5? We're just going through the time. What about on the 7? Let's take this on a longer hourly time frame first. Let's see. Let's do 11. Yep, I don't like that neither. $13. And 15. What do you think? For me, I think price is weak. I think the market in Ondo wants to go down. Looks to me like the sellers are overpowering the buyers right now. That's what it looked like. Now, it's a very tight area though. So like, I don't want us to think that Ondo is going to completely crash, because there's some buyers right in this range right there. Okay. We can see that. So let me do this for Ondo. We're going to look for the market to trend down. I'm not going to tell you a crash, so you all can just relax. But I think the market is a little weak, and that simply means we can either see the market in Ondo bounce off of this sell zone and then try to break that sell. it could bounce off of this buy zone right here and then try to break through that sell zone a fourth time. But if it don't hold this buy zone, this is our first target. So on the low, it could either be at the high or the low of that buy zone. Okay, so but at the low, it gives us 7.8%. Then my second target's gonna be down here at the second buy zone, either at the high or the low. At the low, that's 24.5% at 67 cents. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking because it could go either way because of what happened yesterday. It could go either way. But looking at this on an hourly chart, it looks like the sellers have a slight edge amongst the buyers right now. So we'll just see. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.